And the race is on. Pure Energy, Royal Family by the Sunday Street. And on the outside, Wolf Run, Big Time Bonjing Matikas is the early trailer by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Royal Family by about 2 lengths, followed by Wolf Run on the outside, Pure Energy down on the inside, Sunday Street, Matikas, Big Time Bonjing. Rounding the far turn, Royal Family by about 2 lengths. Wolf Run in second, and racing in third, Pure Energy, Sunday Street as they race the final corner. Royal Family by a length and a half. Wolf Run on the outside, Matikas down on the inside, Pure Energy, and nearing the finish line, Royal Family by about 2 lengths. Wolf Run in second, nearing the last 50 meters. The H. Bobby Jr. on Royal Family second. Wolf Run, Pure Energy, Matikas, Sunday Street, and Big Time Bonjing to complete the arrival.